Imagine your brain is a bustling city with tiny molecules and genes acting like the city planners, engineers, and messengers, all working together to keep everything running smoothly. At the heart of this city is DNA, the blueprint that holds all the instructions needed to build and operate your neural neighborhood. Within this DNA, there are single nucleotide variations, tiny changes, just one-letter differences that can influence how genes function. Some sequences repeat themselves in tandem, called simple repeat sequence polymorphisms, and these repeats can vary from person to person, adding a splash of genetic diversity. Genes are like instruction manuals for making everything from proteins to neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that carry signals across the brain synapses. Think of neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine as the messengers that help regulate mood, motivation, and even resilience, the brain's ability to bounce back from stress. The production and regulation of these neurotransmitters involve a team of molecular players. Enzymes like tyrosine hydroxylase and dopamine beta hydroxylase help synthesize dopamine and norepinephrine. COMT, catechol O-methyltransferase, helps break them down, ensuring balance. The dopamine transporter, encoded by the DAT1 gene, acts like a cleanup crew, reabsorbing dopamine from the synapse to regulate its signaling. How does your body know when and how to produce these molecules? That's where transcription factors come in. Proteins that bind to specific DNA regions called motifs, often in untranslated regions of genes, guiding when and how much gene is expressed. These DNA binding proteins can be influenced by polymorphisms, genetic variations altering their binding efficiency, and consequently neurotransmitter levels. Certain genes like DRD2, DRD3, and DRD4 code for dopamine receptors, which are like locks that dopamine keys fit into. Variations such as the variable number of tandem repeat polymorphisms in these genes can influence receptor sensitivity and density, affecting dopamine neurotransmission, which has implications for traits like impulsivity or resilience. Similarly, the serotonin system involves genes like SERT for the serotonin transporter and 5-HTR1B and 5-HTR2 alpha for serotonin receptors. Variations here, including those in the untranslated regions, can influence serotonin levels and receptor activity, impacting mood and stress response. So next time you wonder why you bounce back from a tough day, or why some people seem to handle stress with a smile, remember, it's all in your genes, your molecular messengers, and the tiny sequences that make you, you.